Hey guys, hope you're fantastic. Today I'm going to draw Stumble Santa, ho ho ho, epic character. Let's start with a oval shape for his head. This is a construction line or a guideline to help get things accurate, and this is a little line where his hat's going to be. I'm going to draw an oval shape here like so. This is his body and his arm will fit in there, and then his other arm will be down the side there, and then we've got his legs coming down. One's coming down here and the other one's coming more side on like that. Now I've just sketched that in lightly to give us a basis of Stumble Santa. I'm going to start with his hat. So his hat's going to come up and around like this. He's got a line coming around, and that comes down on this side of the face, and now this comes around like this. This is the white part of Santa's hat. There we are. So it comes around the back. Then we're going to have the top part, the red part of his hat, and I'm just going to change it a bit from the picture because I actually want the white bit coming out there. So now he's going to have a white piece on the end, and I'm just going to make that a nice circle. Now because he's looking to the right, his eyes, you're going to see more of this side of his face. So this is his beard coming down, and then it comes up. Now his nose is going to be roughly a circle there like that, and then his beard comes down, then back up there. And then this is the outside of his beard coming around and across and then back up like that. So there's his beard. The next thing we have to do is put in his eyes. So one eye there. Colour that in. And another tall oval shape there. And now we can put his eyebrows in. And another shape like this. If you angle him too much, he'll look angry, and we don't want him to look angry. Can't see his mouth. Okay, now it's time for his arms. And because I've got this construction line there, I can start with this part of his hand, one bit like that, and then his thumb. And then we've got this white part of his outfit coming around like so. Then he has a little line coming in, and then the outer part of his arm, just going to follow that construction line, and then the same with here. I'm just going to make this a little bit coming down a bit straighter, down. Then he has this white bit which comes out from here. That's part of his body, and it comes in and around, and this is going to be a bit smaller than this side because this is closest to us. And then we're just going to put his hand on. Can't wait for Christmas, and neither can my kids. I hope you're looking forward to Christmas as well. Good old Santa. Here we're going to put his belt buckle in just in here. So let's start with a square. Well, it's almost a diamond because it is on a bit of an angle. And then we're going to do another one inside there, a smaller one. Now if you want to get really tricky, we can make it 3D by putting a couple of little lines coming back on the same angle like that, because it's below our eye level. We see the top and this side of it. There's his belt buckle. And then we'll bring his belt from here. We've got to come around and make it look like it comes around like this. That's why we have this line here like that. And then this is his belly. So that's how his belt comes around the side. Now here it tucks in behind this hand. So we just bring two lines, same thickness or same height as this, coming into there. Now we're going to put on the white bit of his outfit. So down and around like this, then finish it there. And then this other one comes around. And there's a little bit of red that you see in there. That one's the belt's hiding. Now we've got his leg. Comes in like this, curve it around. And then bring this line around like this. This is the white part before it hits his big black boots. This one here is more front on, this boot. So I'm just going to draw more of a front on boot. Like so. And over here it's more side on. So we've got the white bit coming down. Like that. Then we've got the boot coming across and around and then up. And then we've got the sole coming around like this. And then we've got his little knee there. There we have Stumble Santa ready for colouring. 1mm multi-liner to go around the edge, and I'm just going to speed that up.